So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Zcash, ticker symbol ZED, here on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press on Buy Crypto, then go to the top search bar and type in a ticker symbol ZED. So in this case, it actually isn't here. I'll type in Zcash just like this, or ZEC, my apologies, ZEC, not ZED. Press on Zcash right here. Once you're here, just go ahead and type in the amount that you're looking to buy. So if I did $20 as an example, it'll show here. You can also select your payment method, and then go to the right-hand side, press on the purple arrow. Once you're here, you can confirm the amount, the price, the fee, the total, as well as the method that you're paying with. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on confirm to proceed with the transaction if you want to. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Zcash, ticker symbol ZEC, here on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.